Hello everyone, my name is Ginika and you're watching Delarue TV. I'm here on the street to ask some people a few questions. Keep on watching. Thank you. Hi, my name is Ginika. What's your name?
My name is Toby.
Okay, I'm here to ask you some few questions like if a dog barks. What does a chicken do?
A chicken croak now.
If a dog barks, what does a bird do?
A bird, as in a bird sound meal.
Oh my God.
If a dog barks, what does a bird do?
Chim.
Ah!
When a dog barks, what does a bird do? But is it possible to say birds sing? They sing.
Exactly, thank you. If a dog barks, what does a chicken do?
Well, that's a crazy question.
Oh my God.
How is it a crazy question?
I can't answer that kind of question because there's no word for it. A cock crows. A chicken, alright, I give up.
God damn it.
If a dog barks, what does a bird do?
A bird, I don't know.
Try.
I don't know.
It's your cute puppy.
Yeah, I know. I don't
Just
know. I don't know what
try.
I don't know what a bird does.
Try.
I don't know.
Try.
I don't know.
Which school do you attend?
I'm a new lag.
Right now, so if they ask you Unilag, what will you say?
I don't know.
The chicken croak.
Okay, if a dog barks, what does a bird do?
A bird, I don't know.
Huh?
Try.
A bird, can I say crow? I don't know.
A bird.
A
Like
bird.
you've attended from primary school, you don't still know what a bird do.
You do ooh.
You too.
If a dog barks, what does a bird do?
What?
A bird.
A bird. A bird. Is it scream or whatever? I don't know.
Please try again.
I don't know what bird normally do because I don't stay close to bird.
Now where they see you come from?